Welcome to Passport to Everywhere. We're a community of individuals striving for geographic freedom. We post videos about the cost of living around the world, acquiring second citizenships and passports, and traveling the world on your own terms. Paraguay, a landlocked country in South America, offers an affordable and straightforward path to citizenship through its naturalization process. If you are looking to become a Paraguayan citizen, this guide will provide you with all the information you need to navigate the requirements, residency, and application process. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to obtain Paraguay citizenship through naturalization. Paraguay, known for its rich history and breathtaking natural beauty, offers individuals the chance to become citizens through its naturalization process. Paraguayan citizenship provides numerous benefits, including access to an affordable and straightforward residency and investment programs. Paraguay also allows dual citizenship, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking geographical freedom and global opportunities. To be eligible for Paraguay citizenship by naturalization, you must meet certain criteria set by the Paraguayan government. The requirements include being an adult, 18 years or older, having resided in Paraguay for a minimum of 3 years, practicing a profession, trade, science, art, or industry in Paraguay, demonstrating good conduct as defined by the law. One of the key requirements for naturalization is establishing a physical presence in Paraguay for a minimum of 3 years. This means spending at least 183 days per year in the country. The residency requirement demonstrates your commitment to becoming an active member of Paraguayan society. While there is no formal language proficiency exam, applicants for Paraguay citizenship must demonstrate proficiency in one of the country's 2 official languages, Spanish and Guarani. This requirement ensures that individuals can effectively communicate and integrate into Paraguayan society. To be eligible for Paraguay citizenship, you must have a record of good conduct. This means abiding by the laws of Paraguay and demonstrating ethical behavior during your residency in the country. Any criminal activities may affect your eligibility for naturalization. Before applying for Paraguay citizenship, you will need to gather several documents to support your application. These documents may include passport or entry document, birth certificate, certificate of good conduct from your home country, immigration card, permanent residence permit, health certificate, certificate of life and residence, police certificate, Paraguayan identity card, cédula de identidad, certificate of employment or business ownership in Paraguay. It is important to have these documents officially translated and certified, as required by Paraguayan immigration authorities. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you can submit your application for Paraguay citizenship. The application should be submitted to the Supreme Court, which oversees the naturalization process. It is advisable to seek assistance from a lawyer familiar with Paraguayan immigration laws to ensure the accuracy and completeness of your application. The Supreme Court of Paraguay plays a crucial role in the naturalization process. They review and evaluate each application, considering factors such as the applicant's residency, conduct, and integration into Paraguayan society. Upon approval, the Supreme Court grants a Carta de Naturalización, which serves as the certificate of citizenship. This certificate is typically presented during a formal ceremony, marking your transition to becoming a Paraguayan citizen. Acquiring Paraguay citizenship through naturalization comes with numerous benefits. These include travel benefits. As a Paraguayan citizen, you gain visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to 141 destinations worldwide, including Schengen countries. This allows you to travel and explore different countries without facing the restrictions that non-citizens may encounter. Economic opportunities. Paraguay offers a thriving economy with opportunities for business and investment. As a citizen, you can take advantage of favorable business conditions, access to financial services, and participate in the country's economic growth. Education and healthcare. Paraguay provides accessible and affordable education and healthcare services to its citizens. Whether you are interested in pursuing higher education or seeking quality healthcare as a Paraguayan citizen, you can benefit from these services. Paraguay recognizes and allows dual citizenship, meaning you can retain your original citizenship while obtaining Paraguayan citizenship. However, it is essential to consider the dual citizenship laws of your home country, as some nations may have restrictions or limitations on dual citizenship. Paraguay has reciprocity agreements with Spain and Italy for dual citizenship. As a Paraguayan citizen, you are entitled to certain rights, including the right to vote, access to public services, and protection by Paraguayan laws. Alongside these rights come responsibilities, such as obeying the laws of Paraguay, paying taxes, and actively participating in the democratic process. Paraguay allows its citizens to voluntarily renounce their citizenship by submitting a letter of renunciation to the nearest Paraguayan embassy. Involuntary loss of citizenship may occur if a naturalized Paraguayan citizen acquires another citizenship voluntarily or is absent from Paraguay for more than 3 consecutive years without justified reasons. Obtaining Paraguay citizenship through naturalization is an achievable goal for individuals seeking to explore new opportunities and embrace a vibrant South American culture. By meeting the residency requirements, demonstrating good conduct, and submitting the necessary documents, you can become a Paraguayan citizen. With Paraguay's recognition of dual citizenship, you can enjoy the benefits of both your original citizenship and your newly acquired Paraguayan citizenship. Embrace the journey towards Paraguay citizenship and unlock a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if there's anyone you know who might be interested in this video, be sure to share it with them. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.